What's up guys, here's Don Felipe from Shark POV Reviews, and this is our next car for drive. It's the 2020 Volkswagen Touareg with the 3-liter turbo diesel and the Elegance line. It has 286 horsepower, drives our 4 wheels, one automatic transmission from DSG, and this is how it looks like. A very, very beautiful car. Looks in my eyes even more beautiful than the old Touareg. Really nice sporty line, looks even bigger than the old one. And this is the interior, so let's sit inside. So this is how it looks like. It has the massive upgraded screen from Volkswagen. It is really, really big, but it's clear. It shows you all you need. This is the newer steering wheel, looks sporty, very nice. And yeah, this model here, you see, it costs 78,990 francs, and the new price was over 100,000. So it is a really expensive car, but it's also very beautiful. Yeah, but before we start the review, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button to turn on the notifications. And of course, go and subscribe to my Instagram channel to be to have all the new updates and to see what's gonna be the next reviewing car. And that would be it from me, so let's take it for a ride. So the V6 diesel is a very nice engine. It has some pretty good power. We will see it later at the entrance on the Autobahn. But at the first impressions, it's very quiet, I have to say. I mean, of course it is expensive, so you expect that, but still, it is impressive. I mean, sound-wise from the engine, yes, you hear it when you step on the throttle, but it's still pretty quiet, so it's a really, really nice traveling car. But also at the interior, the quality, I mean, it isn't the best. I mean, here it's a little bit scratchy, but here you have nice stitching in white. It's soft. The steering has good quality. The doors have this piano black. So, I mean, at all, it's pretty nice made. let's step on the gas a little bit. So it's still pretty quick, like I said. When you step on the throttle, it just pulls. Not really super fast, but I mean what you can expect from a car like this. But still, the V6 diesel has really some real punch. So it has over 600 Newton meters of torque, so it has some strong Newton meters. And also, the navigation system is pretty good, so you see everything. Your whole navigation system has pretty good graphics. It's sharp, it's big, so really it's impressive. It's very impressive. But the car has its price, unfortunately. It's still expensive, but I mean you get a lot of car for this price. You can go to the climate, then you got some options there. So I mean, it is impressive, like I said. It's a very big screen, it has a sharp graphic, it's responsive, it's fast, and yeah. But now let's get ahead to the Autobahn and let's see how the car performs. So let's step on the throttle. Like I said, it pulls very strong. I mean, you step on the throttle and it just pulls and pulls and pulls. So for a diesel car, an SUV that's around 2.5 tons, it's pretty fast, really. So very nice. And the comfort on the Autobahn is good. So you feel a little bit off the road, but it's still very comfortable. Alright, let's go ahead on the Autobahn again. Let's hope we can pull faster now, but it seems not. But we'll try what we can. So unfortunately it's raining, so we can't do everything, but we'll show you everything what we can. It's just, if you have to overtake someone, you just step on the throttle and it just pulls instantly. So I mean, also the automatic transmission, it's very fast, it responds quickly, so I have no complaints about that. It's very, very nice. Also I have to say I like the interior design. It's typical German, so it's how to say, it's not too much, it's just sleek, it's simple, typical Volkswagen, honestly. And it brakes pretty strong, so really nothing to complain about. It's very good to drive, it's easy, it's smooth. So I mean, for everyone who's looking for an SUV for traveling around for, I don't know, 1,000–2,000 kilometers, I mean, it is good for that. So the seats are comfortable, they're also big, so it's very good.